Well, I noticed that my face was changing kind of dramatically, and because eyelid droopiness, if you want to call it that, it tends to be hereditary, and my mother had it significantly to the point where it really was impeding her ability to see. I knew that this was starting to happen to me and that I needed to take care of it eventually, but why not do it sooner when I could enjoy the benefits of feeling better about the way I was looking and feeling from the inside, not feeling like I was half asleep all day. I could be actually wide awake. So I set up a consultation with Dr. Clevens, and he looked at my face and gave me his advice on what he would do, where he would spend the money, rather than what I initially thought. I might do this or that. He was very good about saying, I do these together, you get a better result, and this is a good time to do that. And so I felt very comfortable with his professional opinion. He's done this a lot, and he knows how to get you to the best looking state. I had concerns about cost. I had concerns about pain, and he said that yes, there would be some discomfort, but no more than I have had with, say, the IPL. In fact, even maybe he didn't say less, but I think it was less. Between him, his staff, the nurse, his assistants, explaining the whole process, I felt like I walked in knowing exactly what was going to happen. And the thing I think that surprised me the most was that it was not painful. It was a little, I've never had any surgery before at all. This was my first surgery. So I was a little nervous about that, but it was okay. Because the people at the surgical center were very comforting, and I make sure I was, comfortable and at ease, and let my friend come and stand with me just beforehand. So I just calmed me right down for the little nerves that I might have had. And then afterwards, I had I had been given during the pre-op visit a whole list of instructions. They went over those again with me before the surgery, and they went over those with the person that brought me, who was going to be taking care of me. And so it was very clear, everything that needed to happen. And I was quite surprised that the level of pain that I expected, I didn't have. I am happy with my results, and I know it's early days because they tell me that it will continue to get better and better, but I see a big improvement in my eyes, and I've had people say, "What are you doing? You look fabulous," and that's always nice. And I definitely would recommend Dr. Clevens and his team. Not only is everyone just really expert at what they do, but they're just very nice and warm and welcoming, and I think they've done a fabulous job with me in the last years.